Okay, so brand new GFCI outlet, a lot of people doing pretty good job installing it. I mean, wiring it and putting it in there, but for some reason it just keeps tripping. This is the only case we are considering right here. So I have seen these many times, and recently I just went into one where customer replaced its own GFI. And here's the thing with these are pretty thick. When you do the wiring and push it into the electrical box, these wires just come right back and sometimes touch the neutral or ground, and sometimes you can see people strip the wire too long like this, and they have a copper sticking all the way out. You can see this side where we don't have any copper sticking out, right? So, but sometimes I have seen people strip like too long of a section, and when you push it into the box, this ground comes very close to the neutral terminal, or it comes close to the hot terminal, but usually it's neutral to terminal. So it will cause the outlet to trip, and essentially you will not be able to reset it until this ground wire is away. So one way I basically do it, I just push it in first. I push in the ground first all the way in there, and then another thing is I tape around the electrical contacts. Essentially, I tape around right here. Again, you need to use only electrical tape. So you just tape it around, and you should be able to reset it, and it should work. Okay, so that's a quick video on cases where GFCI, brand new GFCI installed, but it's not working or it's not resetting. So hope it helps. Thanks for watching.